एक और आपका अपने चैनल में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आज का हमारा चैप्टर क्लास 8 द ओपन विंडो, इसकी समरी, शॉर्ट नोट्स और इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इस वीडियो में मैं कवर करने वाला हूं। सो लेट्स मूव अहेड। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल्स नर्वसनेस। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल was suffering from nervousness. He goes to a calm and quiet place in the countryside for his treatment. There he calls on a family friend. There he met a 15-year-old girl named Bera. She was very calm and confident. She told Nuttall that her aunt, Mrs. Appleton, could come downstairs soon. फ्रैम्पटन नटेल की घबराहट। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल घबराहट की बीमारी से पीड़ित था। वह इलाज के लिए गांव देहात में एक शांत और खामोश जगह पर जाता है। वहाँ वह एक पारिवारिक दोस्त से मिलने जाता है। वहाँ उसे बैरा नाम की एक 15 वर्षीय लड़की मिली। वह बहुत शांत और कॉन्फिडेंट थी। उसने नटेल को बताया कि उसकी आंट मिसेस सैपल्टन जल्द ही नीचे आ जाएंगी। His sister's observation. Nuttall's sister had told him that he would meet very few people in the countryside. He would feel very unhappy there and his condition would become worse than before. So she would give him letters of introduction to all the people she knew there. Some of them were quite nice. उसकी बहन का अवलोकन। नटेल की बहन ने उसे बता दिया था कि उसको देहात में बहुत कम लोग मिलेंगे। वह वहाँ दुखी हो जाएगा और उसकी हालत पहले से भी खराब हो जाएगी, इसलिए उसको वह उन सभी लोगों के परिचय पत्र दे देगी जिनको वह जानती थी। कुछ तो उनमें से बहुत अच्छे थे। बेरा's क्वेश्चन। द यंग गर्ल बेरा asked Nuttall if he knew many people there. He told her that he did not know anybody. In fact, his sister has visited the place about 4 years ago. She had given him letters of introduction to some of the people. On being asked, he told Bera that he knew only her aunt's name and address. बेरा के सवाल। बेरा ने नटेल से पूछा कि क्या वह वहाँ काफ़ी लोगों को जानता है। मिस्टर नटेल ने उसे बताया कि वह किसी को नहीं जानता। उसकी बहन लगभग 4 साल पहले यहाँ आई थी। उसने कुछ लोगों के नाम और परिचय दिए हैं। पूछने पर उसने बेरा को बताया कि वह उसकी आंट का केवल नाम और पता जानता था। द ट्रेजेडी। बेरा टोल्ड मिस्टर नटेल दैट अ ट्रेजेडी हैड हैपेंड इन द फैमिली about 3 years ago. She pointed to a large glass of window. It opened onto a lawn. It was kept wide open even on an October afternoon. Nuttall asked the girl if that tragedy had something to do with that window. The girl told him that it concerned her aunt's husband and 2 brothers. They had gone out for shooting. This happened exactly on this day 3 years ago. They went out through that window, but they never came back. It was because they were swollen up by the wet, spongy ground. Their bodies were never recovered. बेरा ने मिस्टर नटेल को बताया कि लगभग 3 साल पहले उनके घर में एक दुर्घटना हुई थी। उसने एक बड़े शीशे की खिड़की की तरफ इशारा किया। यह एक लॉन की तरफ खुलती थी। यह अक्टूबर की शाम तक खुली रखी जाती थी। नटेल ने लड़की से पूछा कि क्या दुर्घटना का उस खिड़की से कोई लेना देना है, कोई संबंध है। लड़की ने बताया कि इस ओपन विंडो का संबंध उसकी चाची के पति और उसके 2 भाइयों से था। वे शिकार करने गए थे और यह घटना लगभग 3 साल पहले ठीक आज के दिन हुई थी। वे उस खिड़की से बाहर गए परंतु वे कभी वापस नहीं आए। कारण ये था कि वे दलदल में फंस गए थे और उनके शरीर कभी नहीं मिले। मिसेस सैपल्टन्स रिएक्शन। द गर्ल्स आंट मिसेस सैपल्टन ऑलवेज थॉट that they would come back someday. They would come through that window along with their dog as they used to do. That was why the window was kept open every evening till it was dark. The aunt often told the girl how they went out. Sometimes Bera too had a creepy feeling that they would walk through that window. मिसिल सैपल्टन की प्रतिक्रिया। मिसिल सैपल्टन हमेशा सोचती थी कि वे किसी दिन वापस आएंगे। वे अपने कुत्ते के साथ उसी खिड़की से आएंगे जिस तरह के वे आया करते थे, इसलिए उस खिड़की को अंधेरा होने तक हर शाम खुला रखा जाता था। चाची अक्सर उस लड़की को बताती थी कि वे किस प्रकार बाहर गए थे। कभी कभी बैरा को भी ये लगता था कि वे उसी खिड़की से अंदर आ जाएंगे। मिसिस सैपल्टन्स अराइवल। Meanwhile, Mrs. Sappleton entered the room and apologized for coming late. She hoped that the open window did not bother Mr. Nuttall. She told him that her husband and brothers would come home straight from shooting. They would enter the house through the open window. They had gone to shoot birds in the marsh. So, they would spoil the carpet as their shoes would be muddy. मिसेस सैपल्टन का आना। इतने में मिसेस सैपल्टन ने कमरे में प्रवेश किया और देर से आने के लिए माफी मांगी। उसने उम्मीद की कि मिस्टर नटेल को उस खुली हुई खिड़की से कोई भी परेशानी नहीं होगी। उसने बताया कि उसके पति और भाई शिकार से सीधे घर आएंगे। वे घर में उस खुली खिड़की से प्रवेश करेंगे। वह दलदल में पक्षियों का शिकार करने गए थे, इसलिए वे गलीचों को खराब कर सकते थे क्योंकि उनके जूतों पर कीचड़ लगा हुआ होगा। नटेल्स रिएक्शन। मिसेस सैपल्टन बेंट ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट द शूटिंग एंड शॉर्टेज ऑफ बर्ड्स टू फ्रैम्पटन नटेल। इट वॉज कंप्लीटली हॉरेबल। ही ट्राइड टू टर्न टू टॉक टू ए लेस हॉरेबल टॉपिक. He tried to turn the talk, but he was not fully successful. He knew that Mrs. Stapleton was giving him only a part of her attention. Her eyes were directed to the window and the lawn. मिस्टर नटेल की प्रतिक्रिया। मिसेस सैपल्टन शिकार करने, पक्षियों की कमी के बारे में बात करती रही। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल के लिए यह पूर्णतः भयानक बात थी। उसने विषय को दूसरी तरफ मोड़ना चाहा, परंतु वह पूर्ण रूप से सफल नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मिसेस सैपल्टन उसकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दे रही थी और उनकी आंखें खिड़की के बाहर लॉन पर ही केंद्रित थी। डॉक्टर्स एडवाइस टू नटेल। द डॉक्टर हैड एडवाइज्ड नटेल टू टॉक कंप्लीट रेस्ट. He should avoid mental excitement. He should also not to do any exercise, needing great physical strength. Frampton Nuttall wrongly thought that strangers were interested in the illness and weaknesses. मिस्टर नटेल को डॉक्टर की सलाह थी कि उन्हें पूर्ण आराम करना चाहिए, उनको मानसिक एक्साइटमेंट से बचना चाहिए और उनको ऐसा कोई कार्य नहीं करना चाहिए जिसमें फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत हो। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल का ख्याल था, उनका मानना था कि अजनबी लोगों की दिलचस्पी उसकी बीमारियों और कमजोरियों में थी। नटेल्स रिएक्शन। मिसेस सैपल्टन was not much interested in what Nuttall was saying. Suddenly she looked towards the window. Mrs. Sappleton said with a cry that they had come at last. They were in time for tea. They looked as if they were covered with mud. Frampton Nuttall trembled with fear. He turned towards the girl to express sympathy. But the girl was looking through the window. There was horror in her eyes. Frampton also had a feeling of strange fear. He swung round in his seat and looked towards the window. नटेल की प्रतिक्रिया। मिसेस सैपल्टन ने उसमें कोई खास दिलचस्पी, कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया, जो मिस्टर नटेल कह रहे थे। अचानक उन्होंने खिड़की की तरफ देखते हुए कहा कि आखिरकार वे आ गए। वे ठीक चाय के समय तक पहुंच गए। ऐसा कहते हुए उसने कहा कि वे ऐसा लगता है कि वो कीचड़ में पूरे ढके हुए हैं। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल डर से कांपने लगे, परंतु अपनी सहानुभूति के लिए लड़की की तरफ मुड़े। परंतु लड़की भी खिड़की के अंदर से बाहर देख रही थी। उसकी आंखों में डर था। फ्रैम्पटन को भी अजीब सा डर लगा। वह अपनी सीट पर घूमा और उसने खिड़की की तरफ देखा। द थ्री फिगर्स। इट वॉज डस्ट नाउ। नटेल सॉ थ्री फिगर्स वॉकिंग अक्रॉस द लॉन टुवर्ड्स द विंडो। They all carried guns. One of them had a white coat hung over his shoulders. A brown-colored dog followed them. They came silently near the house. One of them sang, "I say, Britty, why do you want?" अंधेरा हो चुका था। नटेल ने 3 आकृतियों को लॉन में से होते हुए खिड़की की तरफ आते हुए देखा। उन सभी के पास बंदूकें थीं। एक के कंधे पर एक सफेद कोट टंगा हुआ था। भूरे रंग का एक कुत्ता उनके पीछे पीछे आ रहा था और वे चुपचाप घर के पास आए और उनमें से एक ने गीत गुनगुनाया, "आई से ब्रिटी, वाई डू यू वांट?" नटेल सडन रिट्रीट। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल took his stick and coat. He walked through the hall door, along the pathway, and reached the front gate. Thus he made a hasty retreat. A cyclist had to run into the hedge to avoid collision with him. नटेल की अचानक वापसी। फ्रैम्पटन नटेल ने अपनी छड़ी और कोट लिया और वह हॉल के दरवाजे से, पाथवे से होता हुआ, वाहन मार्ग से होता हुआ सामने के फाटक पर पहुंच गया और इस प्रकार वह जल्दी से वापस चला कि एक साइकिल वाला उससे सीधी टक्कर से बचने के लिए झाड़ियों में जा घुसा। द फिगर्स विद द कोट। The figure with the raincoat came in through the window. He asked who was the man who had rushed out of the house. Mrs. Sappleton told him that he was one Mr. Nuttall. He was an extraordinary man. He could talk only about his illness. He went away without a word of goodbye or apology. It appeared as if he had seen a ghost. कोट वाली आकृति। रेनकोट वाली आकृति खिड़की के अंदर से आई। उसने पूछा वह आदमी कौन था जो इतनी तेजी से घर के बाहर गया था। मिसेस सैपल्टन ने बताया कि वह कोई श्रीमान नटेल थे और बड़े अजीब आदमी थे। वह केवल अपनी बीमारियों के बारे में बात कर सकते थे और वह बिना कोई विदाई का शब्द कहे या माफी मांगे चले गए। ऐसा लगता था कि उन्होंने कोई भूत देखा हो। गर्ल्स एक्सप्रेशन। ही हैड टोल्ड द गर्ल that he was terribly afraid of dogs. Once a group of dogs chased him into a graveyard. He had to spend the night in a newly dug grave. The dogs were growling all around him. लड़की का एक्सप्लेनेशन। लड़की ने बताया कि नटेल इसलिए घर से बाहर गए क्योंकि वह कुत्ते से डरते थे। उन्होंने लड़की को बताया था कि वह कुत्तों से बहुत डरते थे। एक बार कुत्ते उनका पीछा करते करते उसे कब्रिस्तान तक ले गए, जहां पर एक रात उसने नई खोदी हुई कब्र में बिताई और कुत्ते पूरी रात उसके चारों तरफ गुर्रा रहे थे। नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। व्हाई हैड फ्रैम्पटन नटेल कम टू द रूरल रिट्रीट? फ्रैम्पटन नटेल was suffering from some nervous disorder and worry, so he decided to spend a few days in some place and relax in peace. Why had his sister given him letters of introduction, people living there? His sister knew that Frampton would meet very few people in the countryside. He would feel lonely and bored. His condition would grow worse, so she gave letters of introduction to all people she knew there. One was addressed to Mrs. Sappleton. What had happened in the Sappleton's family as narrated by niece? The niece played a practical joke on Sappleton when she came to know that he was a total stranger. She said that her aunt's husband, 2 brothers and a dog had gone for hunting through the window 3 years ago. They never returned, but the aunt was still hoping to see them back through the open window. What did Mrs. Sappleton say about the open window? Mrs. Sappleton said that her husband and brother would be entering the house any time. The window was kept open till it was dark. They would enter through the open window. The horror on the girl's face made Frampton swing around his seat. What did he see? Frampton swung around to know the reason for the girl's horror. Soon he saw three figures coming towards the window. Why did Frampton rush out wildly? The niece had told Natal that her aunt's husband and brothers had been missing for 3 years. When Frampton saw them coming, he thought they were ghosts, so he rushed out of the gate in fear. What was the girl's explanation for his lightning exit? The girl explained that Frampton had a bitter experience of the dogs, so he made a sudden exit on seeing the dog. Is this a mystery story? Give a reason for your answer. The open window is not truly a mystery story. It shows that fertile imagination of a young girl. She plays a practical joke on Frampton and tells a cooked up story. Poor Frampton falls a prey of her prank and runs out of the house hurriedly. You are familiar with the irony of the situation in the story. Remember the cough anthem in class 7th की supplementary reader से ये कनेक्ट किया गया है. सो एक हाई ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल का क्वेश्चन है आयरनी के बारे में बताइए कि ओपन विंडो में क्या आयरनी है. So irony refers to the contrast between what is intended or expected and what actually occurs. The open window has irony of situations. Poor Frampton goes to countryside for the rest and relief from his nervousness. But Mrs. Sappleton's niece plays such a joke that he suddenly rushed out. He mistakes Mrs. Sappleton's husband and brothers as their ghosts. Which phrases and sentences in the text do you find difficult to understand? So कुछ phrases और sentence हैं उनको explain किया हुआ है. Come into the nice division. इसका मतलब है the category of the nice people. Masculine habitation. The room seemed to suggest that there lived some male person of the family. Britty, why do you bound? इसका मतलब है jump. But here is the means of person whose behavior is unpleasant to other people. एक सॉन्ग है जिसका मतलब है ब्रिटी तुमने शादी क्यों की, ये इसका सॉन्ग भी है एक. What is the significance of the window in the story? The window in the story, ये extra questions है. The window in the story reveals nice habit of playing jokes and pranks. The window is a central part of the story. Though it is the aunt's husband along with his two brothers-in-law gone out of hunting, Frampton is frightened to see them coming towards the window. Thus, taking them for ghosts, he rushed out of the gate. What was Frampton Nuttall suffering from? Frampton Nuttall was suffering from nervous disorder and excitement. The doctor advised him for complete rest and relaxation in the countryside. Why has Frampton retired to the countryside? Frampton retired to the rural side on the doctor's advice. He needed rest and relief from mental excitement. Whom does Frampton contact in the rural resort? Frampton goes to Mrs. Sappleton's house in the countryside. He carries an introduction letter from his sister, but he first meets Mrs. Sappleton's niece, Bera. What did Frampton admit as well as notice in Mrs. Sappleton's room? Mr. Frampton tells Bera that he doesn't know anybody in the place. He wondered whether the lady was married or widow, but he did notice that some male members has been living in that room. What sort of tragedy had happened in the Mrs. Sappleton's life? as narrated by the niece. Vera told Frampton about a family mishap 3 years ago. Mrs. Appleton's husband, along with her two brothers, had gone for shooting. They were caught in a wet marshland. They never returned. But the aunt was still hoping that they would return home and enter through the open window. What did Frampton notice about host's chief concern? Frampton noticed that the host was turning her eyes constantly towards the open window, as she was giving very little attention to his story of sickness. Her chief concern was to notice her husband's returning home. What did the aunt and her niece say about Frampton's sudden exit? Stapleton and her niece told different stories why Frampton had run out of the house in such a hurry. The lady called him an extraordinary man who talked only about his illness. Perhaps he had seen a ghost, so he had dashed off. But Vera said that the caller had a horror of dogs, so the sight of a spinal dog made him push out. So thank you for watching this video. I hope these questions will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.